How to create Payoneer account. First of all, open any web browser on your device. Click on the search bar at top of the screen and type in www.payoneer.com and then press enter on your keyboard. Then you will land on the official interface of Payoneer account where you have to click on open your account button or click on register in order to create account on Payoneer account. So let's click on open your account button. Now you will land on this interface where you have to choose the right Payoneer account type for your business needs. Whether you can choose freelancer or SMB or online seller, affiliate marketer, vacational rental host or individual. Now here you need to select the option that describes you the best. Click on the register button. Then you will land on the other interface where you have to proceed and go through the 4 steps and then you can successfully sign up into Payoneer. So first of all, you need to answer, is your business registered with any government business licensing or tax authority? If yes, select yes, otherwise select no button. When you scroll down here, you need to fill the necessary credential like the first name, last name, email address, re-enter the email address and date of birth. So let's enter all the credential on this section and proceed towards the other steps. Now you have entered all of the credentials, click on the next button at the bottom center of the screen. Then on the other page, you have to enter all your contact details like phone number and telephone number and many more. And hence you have to enter security details. And once you reach on almost done section, you have to enter all the credentials and then your account will be created on Payoneer. So that is how we create Payoneer account. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.